welcome back. So end of season discount. Got this 19, I don't even know what year it is, Yamaha Phazer. It's awesome. It's a super cheap sled, but these things are lightweight. It's got a custom headlight here, no heated grips whatsoever, and some sort of belt sander for a track, which means the brakes don't work very well, which means I totally hit a tree. So the front end is a little smushed. I'll show you guys how I did that right now. Here, let's trade a minute. I want to try that one again. The brakes are terrible. I gotta pull the metal out.
You messed up this super pretty exterior. Oh no! Wow. Yeah. No, you fucking hit one. That's.
Don't hit any more trees.
I'll try. I can't promise anything. Videos of us in the sun.
Oh, I know what I want. I want the wicket carrier and a wicket. This thing's fun though, right? Mm-hmm. Sorry, sled. Oh, I hit the exhaust. Oh, that sucks.
Wah, wah. How do these things not have bumpers that actually do anything?
I don't know. And then this piece kind of just sort of wiggles on like that. I think it needs more zip ties, is what it needs.
Yeah. Well, we broke it in.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
But you know what? Other than that, this thing was really fun. It feels like a dirt bike. I don't know. I've always wanted one of these, and figured, what the hell? It's cheap as hell right now because it's end of season. People want to get rid of stuff. This one isn't great. The hood was all messed up, and there's some other issues with it. But so, other than the track being garbage, the idea is if you put a new skid in here with a longer track, it's really good for powder because it has these wide powder skis. Kind of like building this thing to go mess around in the woods. Thought it was fine, but I totally smushed the exhaust pipe here, so I'm gonna have to get a new pipe, maybe a new support. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna unbolt the hood, and then I'm gonna drive this thing somewhere and tug on this front bumper with another sled to try to pull it out. So let's do it. All right, so I think to get this hood off, you have to take off these two bolts and two over there, and then take this spring clip for this little limiting wire here. some technique right there. That's working pretty good. Now I'm gonna put it on this part. I'm gonna yank it a couple more times and see if we can get that to straighten out. I mean, that's like a lot straighter. It's probably fine. All right, that's it for phase one of the Phazer project. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Maybe it'll get a long track. Maybe it'll get a new front end. I don't know. We'll see. Definitely needs a new pipe, but yeah, it's a blast. Super fun, cheap little sled. Cheers. Till next time.